here's where, yes.
Okay. Devil.
Eric went airport in his seat. Better hold on to that iPod pretty good.
If I rip out your oh shit, I'm sorry.
If I rip out your oh shit, I'm so sorry. I mean,
The old shit bar. And why don't I have an old shit bar? Okay.
Yeah.
Just hold on to Cody and friend.
yes.
And my hand.
Oh god, that many hands.
Dude, that one on the left.
What he said, shame. I'll tell you. I want to hear the song first.
No,
I want
just
to.
Hold on, Ash, so she doesn't fly.
Okay. Are you ready?
I love you, brother. I love you, brother. You're my white brother. Go now! Change, motherfucker! Yeah, we went airborne! Chocolate airborne! Yes! 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 Hold it, Jill! Hold it! Hold it! Jump that ball! Jump that ball! Go! Go! Yes! 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 Yes, Eric! Yes! Keep on going! Keep on going! You're in the zone right now! You're in the zone! Yes! You're in the zone! I lost my necklace!